Okay, so with the new battery installed, and well, I couldn't get the programming done, but I just changed one digit on the CAN uh, controller, the number 19, I believe, and I'm still getting voltage that's 13.1. It does not really exceed any 13.4, and it doesn't go below 12.9 something, 95, 97. This is using the controller for the engine. Now if I go back, okay. Is that even normal? Not so sure. This is a brand new original Audi battery. Brand new, I just got it earlier today. The hell is up with the battery aging 126%? Don't know what that means. And then let's go to 20. .29 amp hour. I don't know. I'm even more lost now. I think I was told 04 as well is important. Not sure if I got it right. Okay. Anyway, other systems, there are no faults. Everything works fine other than that. I just feel like the battery voltage is pretty low. Or the alternator charging voltage is low. This is the second alternator that I have in the car. It's, well, I really thought that the original one was failing, but at 138,000 kilometers, that's not much for an alternator to fail. My BMW only failed at around 210,000, I think. But anyway, it was an E46 BMW 330xi. Let's see if we have anything in the faults. No faults. Readiness. Everything passed. I had to force the evaporative emission to pass by going into I think it was output tests, and then I went to tank ventilation. No, not here. I'm in the wrong area. It was basic settings. And it was the tank leak test and ventilation check valve. I forced the test and it worked. So all systems passed now. But this is before the misfire. Well, I did not have a full cold start yet. So I'm assuming tomorrow morning I'll have the pleasant surprise of check engine light flashing. Anyway, the channel 4. This is an incorrect battery information, but I just changed the digit here. Sorry. I just changed the digit here. I think it was from 0 to 1. And then there was an 8 or a 7 that I changed to 8 here, because I did it twice. Because once I was driving the car when the changes were made, and the second time I just wanted to make sure that I do it properly, so I had it from just the ignition on. Okay. No faults found. All right, well, any help would be appreciated in terms of the programming for the new battery. Why is the voltage changing so abruptly and so much? Is that even normal? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it is normal or not. I know other systems in other cars, but with this one, this is new to me. I find this abnormal, but please correct me if I'm wrong. So if I go into advanced values and I measure terminal 30, see, I'm already at 12.8, which is really weird. 12.9. And it keeps on changing. It keeps on changing constantly. I'm not even on turbo, so if you see the changes, is that even normal? I have no idea. Tapping the gas. I checked all the connections at the battery terminal. I checked the connection at terminal 30, which is in the front, just under the hood there, in the center. I made sure that all of the connections are at least tied down properly. And that they are clean, and they did check out. Could it be a ground issue? Any help is appreciated, guys. I've tried a lot of things already at diagnosing the issue here. So voltage is incorrect, or it's fluctuating way too much, and the engine codes on cylinder 1, cylinder 4, and multiple cylinder misfire. I have not tested that yet since the new battery installment or installation. The new battery is an original, and the alternator has been replaced with an original Audi alternator. It's used, but it is an original Audi alternator, and the old one was giving me around the same voltage. I thought it was too low, and I replaced it. So anyway, inputs are much appreciated. Thank you.